Here with us now is National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, of course, thank you so much for being on with us today. We've been talking with you about this trial on a few days before today, and I have to tell you that I think the prosecution is doing a really great job. Here's where she really sold me on the prosecution's theory of the case. He was on the phone until he got to the body parts, but then he just didn't know the car was still connected to the cell tower, that he had 2 hours with a power saw. That's that time that you had pointed out was an issue in your mind. No one else had access to the wife. He said she was at the hospital and she had defensive wounds. That's common sense. That's all I had to hear to say, bang, that's exactly what I think is happening.
Yeah, her operative line was, I know you didn't check your common sense at the door. I agree with her. I have an analogy for every case. Sometimes the battering ram analogy, sometimes the shock and awe. For this case, I use the boa constrictor. The boa constrictor is exactly the analogy I look at this case. It tightened and tightened, tightened, and right now the neck just snapped off right now with that closing argument. It's not done yet, but to me, case is done. It's been proven. I think he's cooked.